Right, okay, let's start. And today what we are going to learn is we are going to learn some more stuff related to Stretch, actually how to draw in the Stretch stream. So that is the main topic today, how to draw and add colors to the Stretch stream, right? So let me load the Stretch stream first. You can do this with me, others. Please do this with me. Yes.
Can you share the Scratch link to chat box?
Yeah, sure. So you have to remember this, right? Already I have put, right? So you need to get it. Already I have put in the chat box. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Let's go to the creating, and I'm going to create small new project. And in this new project, what I'm going to do, right? Okay. So here I just want to draw in the screen, this screen. I just want to draw. And first of all, I would like to ask, so do you know where's the, so what are the coordinates? Where 0.0 is located in the screen? 0.0, where it is located in the screen. So this is your stage, right? This is your stage. This is where you played. So can you tell where 0.0 is located, the coordinates?
In the middle?
Yeah, it's in the middle, correct. It's in the middle. And so where are the positive values? X is changing which direction? Y is changing which direction? So can you tell me how X is changing? Which direction is X is changing? And in which direction Y is changing? Yes. So you can see it's there, right? X is changing horizontally. So when you move here, X is increasing its positive value. When you move here, X is increasing its negative value. But in the center, it's 0. Here it is positive. Here it is negative. So Y is changing vertically. Here it is positive. Here it is negative. You can see negative Y, negative X. Sorry, positive A, positive Y, negative Y, positive X, negative X. So you should know how these string coordinates are there. Okay, first of all, please write down that in your book. Coordinates in Stretch stream. Coordinates in Stretch stream. Coordinates in Stretch stream. Please write down the heading. Coordinates in Stretch stream. Stretch stream center has X equals 0 and Y equals 0 coordinates. X is increasing from center to right, and Y is increasing from center to up. And X is decreasing from center to left. From center to left. And Y is decreasing from center to bottom. That's how X and Y are changing. Please write down that. And you can draw this and show, right? So after writing down, you can just draw this and show. Please draw this and show how X and Y are changing. So green color one says how the positive values are changing. Starting from center to right, positive values are changing. Starting from center to top, positive values are changing for y. Please draw this, right? If you want to draw in the screen, in Scratch, you need additional library. Like additional library means, so by default, you don't have drawing features here in the screen. You don't have drawing features because you have motion, looks, sound, events, controls, sensing, operations, variables, but not drawing. Drawing feature you have to add as an extension or library. So before that, we should learn what is a library and what is extension. So please write down subheading or another heading, extensions and libraries. So by default, we will not see drawing features by default. Sorry, by default, we will not see drawing features in Scratch interface, Scratch coding interface. It is required to add additional extension to do that. Extensions and libraries are previously coded and tested components available to developers, coded and tested components available to developers, and we can reuse them in our code. So that is why we need to take an extension or library. Okay, please add this note also, and then let's see how to do this practical. Right after that, let's see how to do this practically. Just finish the note, finish writing this, and let me know once you're done. Right, let's start coding, and I'm going to use the library here, extension actually. So you can go to this add extension button and click that. Here you can see the add extension button. Just click that and you'll be seeing a lot of extensions, including music, drawing, video, sensing, text to speech, microbit for microcontroller programming, translation features, and then MIEEE and Lego. So likewise, you have different other things. So my requirement is painting, so I'm using draw with your sprites. So this one, pen. And after getting the pen, so here I have taken the pen. After getting the pen, I'll get this additional coding segments. And so cat is not good for drawing. So let's change the cat. I'm going to remove the cat. And instead of the cat, I'm going to add pen or pencil if available. Yeah, pencil is available. I'm going to take that and reduce the size to 40%. And then I can see small pencil there. Okay. So first of all, I want to erase, if anything, in the screen. Go to the control, sorry, events. And from the events, I'll click the flag click event. I'll take that. And in case of anything in the screen, I want to clear that. Okay, let's draw a line. I want to draw a line, so I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to start from this corner. So you can see the coordinates X and Y is changing. I want to start from this coordinate and draw towards this end. To do that, I'm going to, yes, motion, and I'm going to start with, go to X and Y coordinates and go to pen, and then I'm asking to pen down and then walk. Let's say walk, move 200 steps. When I click this, you can see it's drawing a line. Right, you can change the color if you want. Just go and change the color. Set pen color to, and click and give any color that I like. So you can see the maximum color is 100, 100, 100. all together. So these are the settings. You have 100 colors from 0 to color number 100 with different saturation levels, 0 to 100 saturation level, then different brightness levels, 0 to 100 brightness levels. Altogether, you will have 100 into 100 into 100 combination, which is 10,000 levels. 100 into 100 into 100. So let's change it to green color. Okay. Then change pen size. So let's pen size by, let's say 10, and start drawing again, and you can see large line. Okay, just try this. Just try this and write the output. So if you need any help, I can do. Please share the screen. I'll instruct. මොනාහරි දවක ඕන කියන්න අටවහගෙන ඉන්න එපා. කරන්න නැතුව ඉන්න එපා. කරගන්න බැරි මොනාහරි දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම්.
So how can you get the extension from where?
Click here in the corner. You can see this one. Can you see this area? Just going to highlight this area. You can see add button there. Just click there and get the pen. Then change sprite to pen as sprite. Also you can change it to pen. Okay, please do this and let me know if you have any difficulties, right? Right, what about the triangle? So how to draw the triangle? So can you tell me, so if I am going to repeat this, what is the angle I should turn? Right, after moving 10 steps, what is the angle I should draw? So if, let's say, you are given a task to walk in a triangle. Now you are walking straight away. Now you have done, like, you walk 200 steps. Now it's your time to turn. How many degrees you turn? So let's say you want to draw a triangle like this. I'm going to complete this using annotation tools. Okay, so let me know. So if I want to draw something like this, a triangle like this. So if you are in this edge, now you are here at this edge. Now you are here at this stage, this step. And how many degrees you want to turn? It's a very simple question. How many degrees you want to turn? Yes. Symmetric triangle එකට හැරෙන්න ඕන angle එක තමයි මම අහන්නේ. කොච්චර කෝණයක් හැරෙන්න ඕනද? දැන් මෙයා මෙහෙම ඇවිදගෙන එනවා මේ පැත්තට. I'm asking in Sinhala, thinking that you cannot understand what I'm telling. හරි, මෙයා මේ පැත්තට ඇවිදගෙන ඇවිල්ලා ඔන්න 200ක් ආවා පියවර. දැන් මෙයා හැරෙන්න ඕන. කොච්චරක්ද හැරෙන්න ඕන? මේ පැත්තට යන්නයි ඕන දැන්. කීයක් හැරෙන්න ඕනද අංශක?
75.
හරි. 90ක් හැරුණොත් මෙයා 90ක් හැරුණොත් යන්නේ කෙලින්. ඒකවා දන්නවනේ. 90ක් හැරුණොත් යන්නේ කෙලින්. එතකොට 75ක් හැරුණොත් ඇති වෙයිද? If he turn 90 degrees, he will straight away go this way. If is 90 enough, is 75 enough? 75 means he will go somewhere here. This is 75 degrees. 75. You will give somewhere here. So, but if it is 90, you will go in a perpendicular manner. So here, this direction. What is the degree? How many degrees?
65.
Sorry?
60.
Okay, so 60 means you are going here. This is 60 degrees. If you turn, so ඔයා හිතලා බලන්න. ඔයා මෙහෙම ඇවිදගෙන යනවා. අංශක 60ක් හැරෙනවා. අංශක 60ක් කියන්නේ මෙච්චරයි. 60 degrees. Now you are going this way. Can you draw a triangle like that?
100 degrees.
Okay, 100 degrees. Then you can go here. So assume this is a symmetric triangle.
135.
135, you go here. In a symmetric triangle, what is the internal angle? In a symmetric triangle, what is this angle? Inside? What is the angle inside? Samapada trikona එක ඇතුලේ කෝණය කීයද? Not done in mathematics. Okay, this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Then what is the external angle? What is this part? අභ්‍යන්තර කෝණය තමයි 60. බාහිර කෝණය
120 degrees.
120, yes. That is 120. The external angle of this is 120. So the easiest way is, if it is a circle, what is the full round? How many degrees? If you go cyclic way, what is the full round?
360 degrees.
360 degrees, correct. So if it is for full round, it is 360 degrees. The easy way to find the external angle is divide this by the number of sides. In a triangle, how many sides you have?
3 sides.
3 sides. So 360 divided by 3. What is the answer? 360 divided by 3 is 120. This is how you find the external angle of anything, external angle of a symmetric shape. Okay, let's turn 120 degrees and see. So after that, I'm going to turn 120 degrees, right? Turn 120 degrees. After that, again, I can move 200 steps. 200 steps. Again, I can turn 120 degrees. Again, I can move 200 steps. By doing that, I can draw a triangle. So let me erase everything. I'm drawing this. Oh, what has happened? Okay, this move. I have to turn 120 degrees. Sorry, it's my mistake. Should be move, not move, turn 120 degrees. Okay, now we can move. Here it is. Okay, you can see it's a triangle. I can reduce the size, pen size to 1 or 2. So already the pen size is like too much. That's why when I change it by 2, that's why it's drawing the large shape. I just need smaller pen size. So I'm going to reduce this by minus. So that's what happened to you, right? Minus 10. The current pen size I'm going to reduce by minus 10, and you can see the smaller one. But you can see a smaller one. Right now I can change by 1 degree, right? You have to do like multiple times, you have to try. So if you turn wrong angle, then you have to reset the angle, right? If you turn wrong angle, you have to reset the angle and point in the direction. You can keep this in the beginning, you can point in direction 90, right? Then you can try this and you can see the, so all the beginning, you have to point this either 90 degrees or 0 degrees. Here, pointing 90 degrees is the best option. Then when you start, it will start and draw this shape. So let's put pen size 1, you can see. Okay, when you click and click and click and click and click and click this again and again, it is changing the pen size, and that's why you are getting this shape increase, right? Because it is increasing the pen size. That is the reason that the earlier guy, he got all filled. The reason is he's changing pen size by 10 again and again, and it has changed. So you have to reset the pen size, and after everything, so you can just set pen size to. So initially you can set pen size to maybe 5. So keep as it is and remove this part. No need to change the pen size in the middle. First of all, you can set the pen size to 5, and then that will be greater shape. Okay, so another thing. So since this is repeating, moving 200, turn in 120, moving 200, turn in 120, moving 200. So this part is repeating. what you can do is you can go to the control and add repeat. Repeat 3 times. What to repeat? Just move. You can just move 200 and turn 120. You can repeat that. And that is the easiest way of telling that. Okay, if it is square, what is the code? If it is square, what is the code? Can you tell the code? Which one I have to change? Sorry, turning how many degrees?
90 degrees.
90.
90 degrees. And how many times do I have to repeat?
4 times.
4 times. Okay, good. So now if you start, you can see, yes. If it is a pentagon, if it's a pentagon, Panchashrayana, you can start from here. Okay, let's start from here. That means the coordinates are 103. So let's say 103, 103. This is minus 103. And I'm going to draw a pentagon. Now 5 sides. So what is the angle? You know that. What is the angle? I already said the equation. The total is 360. Then angle is 360 divided by 5. Or if you don't like to calculate, you have this operation, right? You have these operations, you can just put the operation here and you can say it is 360. If you are lazy, you can say 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5 and it will automatically calculate the angle, and this is a pentagon. So don't move out. If you are moving out, you will get wrong shape. So just try to keep inside this, just put 150 and you will redraw and you can see perfectly it's a pentagon. Right? Now you can see the perfect shape. So don't move out, then the calculations will be wrong. If you move out of the stage, calculations will be wrong. Don't try to move out. Okay, this is for pentagon. If it is octagon, yes, tell me. If it is octagon, what I have to change?
360 divided by 8.
360 divided by 8, and how many times I have to repeat?
8.
8 times.
8 times. Let's make it like, since it is octagon, there is an opportunity, there might be a chance to move out of the stage. Therefore, I'm reducing this to 100 steps and repeating. Okay, you can see the octagon. Likewise, you can draw any shape now, any symmetric shape. Okay, please write down the code and try this alone. You can draw any shape now, right?